Damn!
Anyone need a motorcycle? I got a lot of them. Just let me know if you need one. I need the garage space. So you can buy that one. You can buy that one. You can buy that one up there. Alright, let me know. Bergman 650, 3,500 or best offer. You know, this guy here, 700 bucks, 50cc. And that guy over there you can have for 100 bucks. Alright, so back to Kyle's scooter here. Took his carb apart, pulled the pilot and main, and went through, cleaned everything, removed the top of the vacuum lid. I'm just now getting ready to put this back together after cleaning the jets, and hopefully a good cleaning will have solved his hard start issues without having to replace the carburetor. So we got his over here. We got everything pulled right now. As you can see, his carb's out, and I hope this solves it. If this runs a lot better after this, then we'll change the oil. I'll give him a call and tell him, hey man, your scooter's ready to pick up. So see what happens. Finish putting her together. Alright guys, carb's been put back in there. As you can see, I cleaned it. We're gonna set this down. Sorry for the lawn, guys. They're being very noisy today. Let's see. It's gonna take a minute to get some gas back to the float, but let's see how easy this cranks up now. I'm also gonna have to set the idle while I'm here because it looks like the idle might be pretty off. The safety switch doesn't work on this side. So that was just the leftover gas they got in there to start, but you see how easy it started? That's because the carb has been cleaned. So it's functioning a little better now. I'd say it's working a lot better than it was. So it definitely needed a good cleaning, that's for sure. We're gonna let it idle down, and then I'm gonna adjust the idle. I want to see how low it's going to idle. There we go. Needs a little bit more. Fine tuning. The scooter's ready to rip, tater chip. We just got to change the oil now and kind of go from there. So I'm going to take it for a ride real fast. We'll see how it does, and then I'll bring it back. If I think everything's going good, I'll change the oil, and then I'll give him a call and be like, hey man, your scooter's ready. Running like a dream. See what it does here. See how it does with my bigness on there. It doesn't have much get up and go, does it?
Doc, we better back up. We don't have enough road to get up to 88.
Roads? Where we're going, we don't need roads.